Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to explore into observation and awareness. Now, is there any other inquiry other than mind? Any other instrument of inquiry other than mind? In this we are interested in. That instrument of inquiry is both these observation and awareness. To go beyond the dimensions of known, this observation and awareness are very important. It becomes the two main wings of spirituality. Without observation and awareness, nobody can fly high. There was a saint by name Dattatreya. He observed the nature and existence very closely. By this process, he attained enlightenment. Now, what is enlightenment? Enlightenment means to end the conflicts, to end the ignorance. We are born with ignorance, that is very much certain. Why we are born with ignorance? Life consists of violence, inequality, so many negative aspects. These negative aspects indicate that we are living in ignorance. We don't consider other human beings as equal. We give much importance to ourselves only. We are self-centered. All these indicates that we are living in ignorance. We have divided the earth into so many little compartments. By that, we have created lots of conflicts. Now, how to go beyond all these conflicts? There only this observation and awareness, both are needed. Now, by this observation and awareness, what we are going to do? We say life consists of another one part known as unknowable part. Life consists of a timeless dimension. We are living under the time aspect. All the events in our day-to-day life are transient. They are not permanent. If we observe very closely, all these events are only temporary. Then, how to find the immortality? At the end of our life, we have to meet with death. We can't negotiate with death. We can't say to death, just wait for 2 years. So when death comes and it takes away all the known things from us, it cuts short all the finite things. So to go beyond the known, observation and awareness are needed. That is simply the meditative process. We have told many times that meditation cannot be practiced. We are born with it. No will is needed. Awareness and observation, it is a simple thing. Whatever is, those facts are to be observed very closely. Even the scientists observe the outside world and they enter into the unknown aspect of life and bring back discoveries and inventions. Similarly, a spiritual seeker goes inside and finds the timeless dimension of life. The timeless dimension of life is known to be the process of creation also. That is the secret of life. Maybe the purpose of life is to find the source of creation. The source of creation is common to all the beings. The underlying principle that connects all the being is known to be the creation. We don't want to be second-hand human beings. The first-hand human being is supposed to be interested in finding the timeless dimension of life. Then only we will be free from ignorance. When we are free from ignorance, that day is going to be the day of enlightenment. We must be after that. That is the significance of our own life. Then we will be blessed with the existence. This is what all about meditation. So the most important aspect of life is meditation. No need to be cheated by anybody in the name of meditation, because meditation is a natural process. If we observe our own mind, we are in meditation. Meditation has no technique as such. It is simple and direct. So only observation and awareness, both these things are needed. Then we will arrive at creation. Once again we will come up with another one video describing about another one aspect of life.